If the refrigerator is not cooling at all and the display shows off, it could be in demo mode. The method for disabling the demo mode varies by model. Check the owner's manual for instructions. To download the user manual, go to lg.com, search using the model number of your refrigerator. The model number can be found inside the refrigerator. Click the refrigerator. Click on the support menu. Click the model number to download the manual. If the refrigerator is still not cooling properly, make sure that all refrigerator doors are closed properly. If the seals are working correctly, there should be resistance when opening the doors. Check for foreign objects caught in the door seal or damage to the seal. Make sure that items inside the refrigerator are not preventing the doors from closing properly. If the foods in the freezer melt or the refrigerator is not cold enough, check the temperature set on the display. To change the set temperature, press the freezer or refrigerator button repeatedly until the desired temperature is displayed. Each time you press the button, the temperature decreases until it reaches the lowest setting. Then it moves to the highest setting and decreases from there. Lack of proper ventilation can also affect the refrigerator's cooling. Use a vacuum cleaner to clear the vents on the back cover periodically. Do not remove the cover while cleaning. For refrigerators without a display, check the temperature settings on the controllers. These are typical examples of temperature controllers. If the refrigerator is not cold at all and the off light is on, the refrigerator could be in the demo mode. To deactivate the demo mode, press the temperature adjust button until the desired temperature is reached. To reactivate the demo mode, press the temperature adjust button repeatedly until the off light turns on. To make the refrigerator colder using the first type of controller, press the temperature adjust button repeatedly until more LEDs are lit. To make the freezer cooler, turn the setting to a higher number. The maximum setting is 5. To make the refrigerator cooler using the second type of controller, turn the knob. To make the freezer cooler, turn the dial to a higher number. In the summer, when the temperature is over 82 degrees Fahrenheit, set the refrigerator to 7 and the freezer to 1. In the spring, when the temperature is between 63 degrees Fahrenheit and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, set the refrigerator to 6 and the freezer to 2. In the autumn, when the temperature is between 54 degrees Fahrenheit and 63 degrees Fahrenheit, set the refrigerator to 5 and the freezer to 3. In the winter, when the temperature is between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 54 degrees Fahrenheit, set the refrigerator to 4 and the freezer to 3. To reset the refrigerator, disconnect the power by unplugging the power cord or tripping the circuit breaker. Wait for 5 minutes, and then reconnect the power. Allow 2 hours for the refrigerator to cool. If the appliance is connected to a GFCI outlet, make sure that the outlet circuit breaker has not tripped. If needed, reset the circuit breaker on the GFCI. If the problem persists, contact an electrician. After installation, allow at least 3 days for the internal temperature of the refrigerator to stabilize. Frequent opening and closing of the door raises the internal temperature, and the refrigerator requires time to cool down. Do not install the refrigerator in an area exposed to long periods of direct sunlight or near a heat source such as an oven or stove. If the temperature of the installation site is too high or too low, the cooling performance of the refrigerator may be affected. For best performance, install the refrigerator in a well-ventilated area with an ambient temperature range of 55 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Leave a clearance of 2 inches, 50 millimeters, behind the refrigerator for proper ventilation. Do not overpack the refrigerator or freezer. Cold air needs room to circulate. Rearrange food so that it doesn't block the cold air vents or door seals or prevent cold air from circulating around items. Allow food to cool before placing it in the refrigerator or freezer. Storing food while it is hot will raise the temperature inside the appliance. Make sure that the door mullion is properly folded before closing the door. The mullion prevents cold air from escaping the refrigerator. For more information, visit the LG.com website and click on the support menu.